Hey y'all, get ready to set up this for this clean this last 2 units. And as you see how clean the bucket is, this is our pump. As you see, we already have the unit hooked up, shut off, the valve is open. We got our two hoses, and we will add some vinegar. Okay. And this will save you thousands of dollars. Thousands. Gotta put enough in there, and then I'll put a little bit of water also. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the other bucket, I'm gonna go get some water. And we're going to go half water. I'm gonna leave y'all right here for a minute. Or better yet, I'll just pause it. I'm back, y'all. As you see, I put half. I'm putting more than half water in here. Okay. Now we will sit her inside. Of course, we have to climb a ladder. Just trying to set this up real quick so you guys can see. Okay, you can see up there. So actually, yeah, right there. I'm going up with the bucket. With the bucket and the good. Hook these both up. Of course, this one goes in. And this is the code. This gets hooked down to the pump. So what you're doing is you're just circulating. All you're doing is circulating the vinegar. Then, if you guys can see, it's going in the cold and it'll be coming out the hot. So now all I have to do now is plug in the pump. Which I'm doing right now. Plugging in my extension cord. I'm going to bring it over. Here we go. Make sure I don't pull the daggone bucket over. Be careful you don't spill vinegar all over the place. So what I do with this is wrap this around here a couple times. So that way I can't pull the bucket down on an accident. Got my live piece here. Let me make sure everything's good up here, tight. I don't want the vinegar to be getting all over the place. And now we will plug her in. Grease. Yes, we are. As you see them spitting out, that means it's coming out real nice. And in about 30 minutes. Let me let you see what it looks like right now. Because in about 30 minutes, this water is gonna start turning bluish like the other water you've seen. And that's because of all the vinegar is going on up through here, and it's going through the copper piping, and it's coming out, and going back into the bucket. And I'll see you in about 30, 40 minutes. You see what the water looks like now? Okay. As you see, that's my setup. I got the power going down. It's pretty easy. $15, $2, and then maybe the most you're gonna pay is about $80 for a pump. Them pumps aren't cheap. The cheapest one is about $60. So if you want one that you're gonna use forever, you probably pay $130. But I will see y'all in about 40 minutes.